Hi, I'm Kevin, Product Manager at TaxGPT, coming to you with a video on details around client intelligence and individual client profiles. If you're unsure about the differences between clients, entities, and contacts, you can view our previous video on the topic. Let's get started. First, let's look at a client. I always like to start with the one I have set up for TaxGPT Inc. I can search for it here and click right in, and you can see here on the home page of the client profile, we have the entity's name or the client name, and any recent entities you've interacted with. You can see the members of your team as well as all of the contacts associated. If you want to view each and every entity, you can go to the All Entities tab. Similarly, you can view every contact associated on the Client Contacts tab and each team member as well on the Team tab. Jumping over into an entity profile, let's look at Kosh Dentistry, which is one of the entities underneath this client. We can click into this, and you can see on the home profile, this is really where we store most of the tax information about your entity. You can see up top some basic details, such as the state and country, as well as the entity type. And coming down below, you can see the entity summary, as well as which contacts are associated with the entity. On the left-hand side here, you can view related entities, as well as we can press entity summary, which gives us that same overall summary of the client, as well as a by tax year breakdown of each client. On the Documents tab, you can view all of your documents that have been uploaded, as well as have them each sorted by tax year, and you can upload other tax documents into the profile. Navigating to the research threads, you can see each and every research thread that's been created and associated with this specific entity, as well as start a new thread by pressing the button in the top right corner. On the entity contacts, you can view each of the contacts that's associated with this entity. Finally, looking at a client-specific contact, such as Akashif Ali here, you can view on the contact details, their name, email, and phone number, and all of the entities and clients that they're related to. You can also view all of these in detail on the Related Entities tab and the Related Clients tab for a contact. I hope you found this video informative, and hope you'll tune in to future videos about client intelligence and other TaxGPT products. Thanks.